Okay, so good evening, everybody. It's Lee, and I'm back tonight. Um, I wanted to show you a couple things. Okay, first of all, starting with this. This is a bronze statue that is at the Vatican in Europe, with the Pope and everything. And it's a very interesting looking thing, actually, if you really look at it. I wonder what its purpose is, honestly. So I'll show you another part. Look at that. So look at that. If I didn't know any better, it's like one of those things that's up there. Actually, one of those things that might be up there right now. Actually, I can't prove that, but it's a sphere within a sphere. That's what it's called. But it's got all these gears and stuff. It's just very odd of what this sculpture means. Maybe it means nothing. Who knows? But on the same topic of the Vatican and the Pope, it's kind of funny that they have a infrared telescope named Lucifer. Yes, that is a fact. That is true. Why would they have this? Well, it's said that the dragon that moves in from the Bible, wormwood and everything, is a red dwarf star, and you can only see it by infrared. So kind of ironic or coincidental, which I don't believe is a coincidence, that they have this telescope basically so they can probably watch this object on its way in, and probably do. And make no mistake, world governments, the Pope, and all them, they know about this. Elon Musk, they know about this. He says he doesn't, but he was lying. There's no doubt about it. But that's my opinion, anyways. Okay, let's move on. Anyways, the Pope, they're kind of, I don't want to offend anybody or anything, but they got some weird things going on. And also, the Pope wants to be a god, basically be higher than God. And that's kind of an issue. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, so this is on 5/13. This was in, where was this? Okay, so it was in Italy, okay? This is the zoomed in version of it. And look at this. Clearly a diamond, square, triangle shape there, right? This isn't the edited version, so it doesn't stick out as much. This is the edited version. See that? Clearly, there's the square edge of it, and the rest of it's going up there. So this was 5/13. I forget about what time, but I'll show you. Okay, it was around 7:25. It was around 7:25 UTC. So okay, that was Italy. Here's Australia, and that was 7:32 UTC. And look at this. Here's the more of the enhanced version of it. Clearly, a big square making a reflection in the clouds. Very, very strange, right? Look at that. Clearly a big square that's making a reflection in the clouds. And this square may not be that big. It just may be near the artificial sun, and so it's projecting its shadow on these clouds and making it look bigger. So it may not be that big, but there clearly is a square, diamond, triangular shape up there, without a doubt. Because that's why we're always seeing triangles, squares, diamonds, things like that. Because there's something up there, and this proves it right there. And here's it again. This was Hong Kong. This was at 7:35 UTC. So right in the same 10-minute period. And look at that. Clearly a right angle right there. And if the clouds were in a certain position, it would be a complete diamond right there, or square. That's quite revealing, honestly. So there definitely is something up there that's square, diamond, or triangular. It's hard to tell, because that could be the bottom of a triangle. It's making it a square. It's hard to tell. And then again, I did show this the other day, but again, the triangular sun. I've posted triangular suns, triangular moons, triangular skies, triangular clouds. Square and triangular shadows, everything. So, way too much evidence. There's something up there that's making that's generating these shapes. This should not be up there. If you guys remember, nature doesn't usually come in geometric shapes. Okay, nature doesn't usually, except for planets, but as far as clouds and weather patterns and things like that, um, not in, not geometric shapes. It's just just doesn't happen really. But we're seeing it all the time here. And even if you look further back here, another triangle in the sky on this part of it. And when I earlier videos, I show um, where the sky is a diamond, and where there's a cloud that's a triangle in the same video. So again, this stuff is very common, happens all the time, and clearly there's a reason for it. It's just not we're just not it's not just being caught. We're just getting a lot of triangular skies and square clouds and stuff. It's something's causing it, something that's up there, obviously. And this is a really good picture to show that. And what I'm saying again, if the sun was one AU, one astronomical unit, which is the distance between the sun and the Earth. I forget how many miles it is, at 58 million or something like that. It's one AU is from the distance from the sun to the Earth. If the sun our real sun is that far, but this one I say is artificial, and in this right here, this proves it, because if this was 1 AU away, it would not be casting a shadow on this cloud right here. This object is artificial, and it's local, clearly local. This artificial white sun is local. That's why it's casting a shadow on this cloud right here. Otherwise, it wouldn't do that. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and today is Monday, May 15th. I will I'll try to post another video later on tonight. Do not forget to remember to hit that follow button, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thank you. Have a good night.